If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if that's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, baby, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah.
Getting engaged is like is the first hill of the roller coaster, and you hear those clicking, the loud sound. It's really violent metal chunk, and you go, what's going on here? You know. Boy, this thing's really goes high. And then you go over the top. The wedding is at the top. You go over the top is the wedding, and then you're just screaming.
Well, even if you make plans, you never think you're really ready for marriage.
No, it's like any growth. You can't be ready for it because it's growth. It's going to be new. It's going to be new. You're going to have a new life. You're going to be a new person.
Couldn't make you wait forever, for forever. This is forever. If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Baby, I've been making plans for
My sincerest apology. I made it. Look, I'll admit it, albeit pathetic, that I'm in my late 20s, still never been to a wedding. Guess the idea of that lobby empty. Do not sit with me, well, it's not your fault they try to get me. Cause I'ma need the sales, cause I'm selfish. And I need you to myself. Trying to see you afloat, but don't want to see you sail.
I like the way that you support me. You see things in me that I never imagined I could accomplish. With you by my side, I know that we can overcome any obstacle. Your faith in me gave me faith in myself. You are my absolute favorite person in this whole entire world. I vow to always put my best foot forward. Give in the relationship and protect you and help you in any way that you desire from a partner. It's always been you, and I'm glad it's always been us.
Your friends saying let them go.
By the state of Florida,
We ain't getting any.
it is my honor
but I
and
can
privilege
promise
to
you
declare
forever.
that you are now married.
That's right.
You are now our partner.
don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Baby, I've been making plans.
But really should I have a rule?
Baby,
Really
I've
should
been
I have a
making
rule?
plans for
Really should I have a
you.
rule?
Yeah.
You have a new love.
we all love you, and that's why we're all here. And we all want to see you just be happy and cheer forever. I love you guys.
Thank you guys so much for coming. We appreciate all of you guys. Good luck for our marriage, good fruit, but also good friendships. We appreciate all of you guys. One thing I will say is, you know, the love that we have felt right now outweighs anything other. Anything other. You know, you guys have came and supported us through and throughout.
I just want to say thank you to each and every person for coming out here. You guys are not only just in our lives, but you're also beneficial to our relationship. You guys have really seen us grow in the last 2 years that we've been back together. And I just appreciate everybody for the support that y'all give. So I just want to say thank y'all for coming.